Hey, this is Mr. Alien Freak. This is the last part of my video on how to clean up and make the computer run better with the clean computer, tear it apart and everything. I'm going to show you how to put your front panel back on and stuff like that. So, let's get started here. Alright. Spin this one around. I do have everything inside completed. I have this here locked in, and I'm missing a part here. Oh, I found it. Okay. The card reader here. I also didn't show you how to take that out, but I will show you how to put that back in. Alright, you're just going to want make sure it's facing the right way. Feed your wire in. Get this in there correctly. Make sure it's facing up. Slide it into place. Find your wire in here. Pull it over, which son of a Alright. Wasn't gonna be as hard as I thought it was gonna be, I don't think. And just get that plugged in. Alright. There we go. Yeah. There's your completed front panel. Got your CD drive here and everything. Alright, now put this back on. To put this back on, you're going to want to make sure that all vents in this are clean too. I mean, this also helps. And find the notches on this side of your, line up your computer. I know it's all black, and I'm sorry it's hard to see, but line up this part here and whatever else you have to reference on. And that thing ain't locked in again. Alright, just line up the two sides here on it. And then just take this side, snap her on there. Check to make sure that all your ports are coming through right. Make sure that both sides are all locked in. Check to make sure that your CD drive is correct. Everything opens and closes correctly. I think we're ready to put the back on it and turn her on. And what you want to do to put this on is just line it up. There are little notches on it right there, there, and there. You're just gonna, and on the computer there's places for the notches there, there, and there. Damn! Well, obviously that wasn't put on there right. So, I guess that tells me there's a problem there. Alright, now, anywho, ouch. Now, once you get your back on, you're going to want to screw this on. Not the right back to my computer, so no hole there for it, so. But, just to recap before we're done with this. This here thermal paste is Arctic Silver. Got it for like 10 or 15 bucks, or cheaper, maybe 8. But I mean, you can get a lot of them. I do not recommend silicone based, is what I said. Get silver based. And then I'm sorry, and I know people hate it when people do this, but I do not have a monitor to show you that it actually works. But I do have power lights and hard drive access lights. Might help you out a little bit. I may make another video when I don't have a blown up monitor for this to show you that it works. Now I'm gonna come over here, plug in my power cord. Oh yeah, I like my SpongeBob blanket. Alright, now, as you can see, we got the light on the power supply that is on. Okay, now I'm gonna spin this one around. It's back. Alright, the power light is, hold on a second, right here, alright? See, it lit up. Now, if I were to unplug this, here, let me just turn it. Alright, here we go. This will probably work for us. There you go. You can see the hard drive access light right there. And I really wish I had a way to prove to you, but I mean, it should be proof enough, not making any noises that aren't normal. Power lights on, hard drive lights blinking as normal, and that's still on and everything. So I mean, there you go. That's how you tear down a computer. Clean it out and make her work better than she does. If she doesn't work, then, well, might make it work. Anyways, Mr. Alien Freak, later, going to bed, 3 o'clock right now.